Well, we're in the middle of a snowstorm. I have to say, go Canada. Um, this just blew by me, and I was like struck by the irony as I'm freezing in Ontario on April 2nd. Ah, Canada, I love you so much. Why are you so cold? Ontario, you catfished me this year. You told me it was going to be warm like last winter, and I left beautiful British Columbia that was so wet the winter before, and they're having beautiful weather, and I am freezing my giblets off here in Ontario on April 2nd. Not fair, Canada. Not fair. Oh, big wind, blow me away.